Hello everyone, welcome back to TIC Exams. In our previous video, we have learned the basics of clocks related problems and we have also solved type 1 related problems. Now in this video, we will try to understand type 2 problems of clocks. Let us try to understand. So what are these type of questions? There will be question on finding the time when the angle is known. What is the angle? The angle between the hour hand and minute hand will be given. We have to find out the time. Or sometimes they will be giving us time. We have to find out what is the angle between the hour hand and minute hand. What is the formula we will use? We will use this formula which is shown on the screen. A is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 30 h. If the given time is between 12 to 6, that is in the first half of the clock, if it is in the first half of the clock, we will use this formula. A is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 30 h. If the time is in the second half of the clock, that is from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, then we will use A is equal to 30 h minus 11 by 2. It's just, we have just interchanged these terms, that's all. There's nothing too much difference here. 30 h minus 11 by 2 m. So what is A here? A stands for angle. The angle between hour hand and minute hand. That is what A means. M means the minutes. At what exactly, what minute? Like at 7 o'clock 35 minutes. That is what M stands for. And H stands for hours. That is at 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, so on. And if in the question it is given as at what time between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, then we will take the lower value, that is 4 o'clock at H. Okay, so need to be cautious about this. So let us try to solve some problem. What is the angle between the minute hand and hour hand of a clock at 5:30? Okay, so since this is in the first hour, first half of the clock, we will use A is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 30 h. Okay, now what is the angle? So they are asking A, we will say 11 by 2 into what is m here? M is nothing but this 30 minutes. 30 minus 30 into what is h? The hours, 5. Okay, so 2 ones are 215, 11 into 15, 165 minus 30 into 5, 150, which is nothing but 15 degrees. So angle is 15 degrees. Option B is the right answer. Find the angle made by hour hand and minute hand at 7:20. Since this 7 o'clock is in the second half, I will use the formula like this. A is equal to 30 h minus 11 by 2 m. Okay, so A is equal to 30 into what is h here? 7 o'clock. 7 minus 11 by 2 into what is the minutes here? 20. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 tens are 30 into 7, 210 minus 11 into 10, 110. So the difference is 100 degrees. So option C is the right answer. Find the angle made by hour hand and minute hand at 6:30. So A is equal to, because this is in the second half, 30 h minus 11 by 2 m. So 30 into what is h here? 6 minus 11 by 2 into what is m? 30. So 2 ones are 2 15s are 30 into 6, 180 minus 11 into 15, 165. So it will be 15 degrees. Option B is the right answer. Find the angle made by hour hand and minute hand at 9:20. So again this is in second half. So I will say A is equal to 30 h minus 11 by 2 m. 30 into h is 9 minus 11 by 2 into 20. So 2 tens are 30 into 9, 270 minus 11 into 10, 110. So this will be 160 degrees. Option C is the right answer. What is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock at 2:20? So this is in the first half. So I'll say A is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 30 h. I'll say 11 by 2 to m is 20 minutes minus 30 into 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are 110 minus 60. So we get 50 degrees. So option A is the right answer. So you saw, friends, this is very easy actually. Very simple and straightforward. Whenever the angle is asked, simply use the formula and substitute. No need to worry too much. Don't think too much. Okay. So let us solve some more questions. Find the angle made by hour hand and minute hand at 6:30. So second half. So what I'll do, A is equal to 30 h minus 11 by 2 m. So 30 into 6 minus 11 by 2 m is 30, right? So 2 into 15. So this will be 180 minus 165, which is nothing but 15 degrees. All right. So these are quite simple problems where you can, just substitute the given values and understand and find the angles. All right. So this is also same. Now let us try to understand if the question is the other way. At what time between 3 and 4 o'clock will the hands of a clock coincide? This is very important. So what do we mean by this? Coincide means the hour hand and minute hand are together. So when they coincide, the angle will be 0. So whenever they are coinciding, it means the angle is equal to 0. We will use the same formula. A is equal to, since it is in the first half, 11 by 2 m minus 30 h. So angle is given, angle is 0. 0 is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 30 into what is h here? Since they have asked between 3 and 4 o'clock, we have to take h as this lower value, that is 3. So 3 into 30, 90. Since this is minus 90, we will send it this side. It becomes plus 90 is equal to 11 by 2 into m. Now this gets cross multiplied. So 2 will come here, 11 will come down. So this will become 2 into 90 divided by 11, which is nothing but 180 by 11. Now 180 by 11 means 180 by 11. So 11 ones are 11. We get 7 here. 11 6 are 66. So remaining is 4. So we will get something like this. 11, 16. This will be the answer. After 3 o'clock, 16, 4 by 11 is the answer. So option D, 16, 4 by 11 minutes past 3 is the answer. So you saw this when the question is asked in the other way. That is, angle is given, but what time? That is, what is the minutes they will ask. So angle will be given, or this will be given, A will be given, H will be given. We have to find out M. Some cases M will be given, H will be given. We have to find out what is A. That's all, simple. Out of these three variables, any two variables will be given. We need to find out another one. That's it. At what time between 5 and 6 o'clock the hands of a clock be at right angle? So straightforward, they have told at right angle. So we know very well angle is equal to 90 degree because they have told right angle. So I'll use the same formula again. A is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 30 h. Now since angle is given, A is 90 degree is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 30 into what is h? Between 5 and 6, I need to take the lesser value. So I'll take 5. Fine. So 5 into 30, this will be 150. So minus 150 comes this side, becomes plus 150. So plus 150 plus 90, which is nothing but 240 is equal to 11 by 2 m. Now this gets cross multiplied, it will become 240 into 2, this 11 will come down, divided by 11. So it will be 480 by 11. So when we divide 480 by 11, 11 fours are 44, you have 40, 11 threes are 33, 7. So you get 11 here, 43 here and 7. So this will be the answer. So after 5 o'clock, 43, 7 by 11. Yes, we have option B, 43, 7 by 11 minutes past 5 is the answer. At what time between 7 and 8 o'clock will the hands of a clock be in the same straight line but not together? Important line. Same straight line they are telling but not together. What does it mean? It means the hour hand and minute hand are in the same line but not together. They are not together. Together means it will be like this. This one, the minute hand and hour hand, both are together. So here angle would have been 0. But since they are asking they are not together, the angle will be 180 degrees. Okay. So we will use the same formula. A is equal to 30h minus 11 by 2 m. Now angle A is given already, 180 degrees is equal to 30 into what is h here? 7 and 8 o'clock. So lesser value 7. I'll take 7 minus 11 by 2 m. What we'll do is, because we have minus 11 by 2 m, we will send it this side. It becomes plus 11 by 2 m is equal to 7 into 30 becomes 210. This 180 we will send it this side. It becomes minus 180. So this will be is equal to 30. Now 2 gets cross multiplied. So m is equal to 2 into 30. This 11 will come down, divided by 11. So which is nothing but 60 by 11. But we don't have the answer 60 by 11. So what we will do is we will divide 60 by 11 and check. 11 fives are 55, remaining 5. So the answer will be 5 by 11. First 7. Option C is the right answer. Alright. So I hope this video was helpful to you. We solved some type 2 type of questions where minute and hour is given and angle is asked, or angle is given, hour is given, we have to find out at what minutes. Okay, so these are type 2 type of questions. So I hope this video was helpful to you. So please download our app Tick Exams, and also please subscribe to our channel, like and share our channel also. Okay, thank you so much.